Hello everyone, my name is Peter or Mr. S, and I'm the maths teacher who will be taking this course on grade 8 maths, and this first course is going to be on whole numbers. And so I just wanted to tell you a little bit about me. I've been a maths teacher for about 14 years, mostly teaching in and around Cape Town, although I have also taught overseas for a period of time. And yeah, I'm very excited to be with you this year. And we're looking to give you a really solid foundation as you enter into high school with mathematics. So the purpose of this video is just to give you a little preview of kind of how things will work. And you can see me hopefully already in this online notebook that I will be using. And so just to show you, I'll move my little bubble here. The first lesson will be about classifying numbers. And there'll be some prepared content. And as I go along, I will also write in my notebook. I might make some comments about something down here. I might change the color. And we'll basically do a combination of getting questions, me explaining key ideas, and then we'll move on to questions that we can, for example, work together, we can vote. And so we'll try and really create a space that has all the good things of a classroom and then takes away some of the bad things. And so we also plan to have a really warm, welcoming atmosphere so that, those of you who are really making the effort to try and improve this year have a space where you feel like you can learn. Okay, so if I just go back to the beginning here, the main ideas are that we'll meet on a Monday and a Wednesday during the week, and basically those times will be fixed throughout the year, and this initial unit will just be 3 weeks and really try and give you a solid foundation in numbers. All right, I look forward to seeing you soon online, but ciao for now.